Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today's Kotlin tutorial is all about comparison operators. So which are used to compare values in your code. So let's dive in. So comparison operators are used to compare two values and return a boolean result either true or false. So Kotlin supports the standard operators like the double equal, which is the equality operator, and the inequality operator, and it can use greater than or equal, less than or greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to. So let's go through them. First, I'll talk about the equality operator here. So equality operator basically checks if two values are equal, and the inequality operator checks if they are not equal. So let's see them through an example here, and for that I'm going to create two variables here, and I'm going to assign them the value. So now let's check each operator here. So here first I'll check the equality operator, and it will basically check if the value of variable a is equal to the value of variable b. So in this case, the 5 is not equal to 10, so it will return false here. Now let's check the inequality operator. So it will check that if the value is not equal of these two variables, so it will return true. So in this case, the value of a, which is 5, is not equal to value of b variable, which is 10, so it will return true here. So let's run this to see. Okay, as you can see, it has printed the same values. Now let's talk about the relational operators. So these are used to compare the size of numbers. Let's take a look. And for that, I'm going to change the variable names here, and I'll assign it this value. And I'm going to change this variable name, and I'm going to assign the value 3 here. Okay, now I'm going to add the relational operators here. Okay, so first one I'm going to use is the greater than operator. So this will check if the value of x variable is greater than the value of y variable. Like 7 is greater than 3, which is true, so it will return the true here. Now let's use another relational operator here. So for that, I'm going to use the lesser operator here. So this will check if the value of x, which is 7, is less than the value of y variable, which is 3. So basically the value of x is greater, so it will return false here. Now check the greater than or equal to operator, and it will check if the value of x is greater than or equal to 7. So the value of x variable is 7, which is basically equal to this value, so it will return true in that case. Now we'll check if the value of x is less than or equal to y. So as you can see, the value of x is 7, which is greater, so this will return the false here. So let's run this code here. Okay, so as you can see, it has returned the same values. And that is a quick overview of comparison operators in Kotlin. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Kotlin tutorials.